Okay, what's your book called, Matthew?
My big truck book.
My Big Truck Book. And what kind of trucks do we have?
A fire engine, a big rig, a bulldozer, and a sweater, and a giant excavator, and a fire truck, and a street truck, and a snowplow, and a school bus, and a skid and an equipment, and a dirt truck.
Wow, you got them all right.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, let's open the book and see what Matthew has a cough today. Unfortunately, he's homesick from daycare, but he's still doing really good. So, what kind of trucks do we have here?
That's what
Okay, what kind of truck is this?
I do truck.
A dump truck, and this one?
A giant excavator.
A giant excavator, yeah. And this one?
Excavator.
This one?
A skid steer.
A skid steer, yeah. And this one?
A dumper.
Yeah, a dumper. And this one?
A scraper.
A scraper, yes. And this one?
A minivator.
A mini excavator, yeah. And over on this page, what do we have?
A yetta.
What is it?
Yetta.
I think it's a forklift. A lift up? Yeah, forklift, yeah. And this one?
A bulldozer.
Yeah, and that one?
And a foodie.
A what?
I don't know how.
It's an excavator, yeah.
A excavator.
And what's this big one?
Plate excavator.
I think it's a backhoe loader.
Backhoe loader.
Okay, very good. You got most of them. Okay, turn the page.
Okay.
Whoa, farm trucks. I don't know if we know these as well, but let's see.
This one can take all the dirt out.
Oh, it can take all the dirt out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. That's
Okay.
what is it?
That's a front loader.
And this sweater bus bear.
That's right. It's a tractor with a baler. Yeah.
And it can go all the grass orange.
Yes, and the grass is all orange. And what's that?
This is a sweater.
Yeah.
This one can. That's all here.
Yeah, because it's on a farm. Okay, turn the page.
This one can take heavy things.
Yeah.
Yep. And
This-
this one can sweater with bear.
Yeah, tractor with disc. Yeah.
This is sweater with bear.
Tractor with baler. Okay, you could say that if you like.
Come home. I don't know.
That's a forage harvester.
What's happening?
That's a tough one. Okay, turn the page.
Okay.
Turn the page. Okay, what kind of trucks do we have on this page?
A minivan.
A minivan, yeah. And what else?
A mail truck.
A mail truck, yes.
A airplane.
What is it?
A airplane.
Oh, airport truck, yes.
Airplane, yeah, Pepe.
Yeah. What's this one?
A school bus.
And what's this one?
A snowplow.
Yeah. And what's this one?
A fuel truck.
A fuel truck. That's right. And what's that one?
A telephone, yeah, Pepe truck.
A telephone line repair truck. That's very good, Matthew. And what do we have here?
I don't know.
That's a delivery truck.
A delivery truck.
What's that one?
It can pick up something.
Yeah.
A pickup truck.
It's a pickup truck. Okay, turn the page.
Good, mommy.
What do we have here?
I go to mommy.
Go to mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you called me mommy. I'm not mommy, I'm daddy. Okay.
Paramedic truck.
Yeah, paramedic truck, yeah.
Airplane, Perpetua.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah.
No, airplane.
That's I think it's an airport fire truck.
Airplane fire truck.
Yeah.
And this one can wash something up. This is another kind of fire truck.
Let's see. I can't quite see. It's a brush rig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You broke my book.
I broke your book?
No, you broke my book with this. With this. I don't know what to do.
Matthew, this is a good book, huh?
Fire street truck?
Matthew, do you know who gave you this book?
Yeah.
Who gave it to you?
I don't know.
Auntie Susie and Auntie Lenore gave you this book.
Oh, I ain't getting the no. And this
Yeah. Can you say
other toast book to post on me.
Can you say thank you, Auntie Susie and Auntie Lenore?
Thank you, Auntie Susie and the Noah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you miss them?
Fire street truck.
Yeah. He'll be very happy that you know almost the entire book.
And a tow truck.
Here's a tow truck.
And a fire engine.
Yeah.
And a ladder truck.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do another page.
Okay. Wow. What do we have here?
A fuel truck.
A big fuel truck. Yeah. What's this?
A big rig.
A big rig. Yeah. And that one?
A garbage truck to garbage something.
Garbage truck to garbage something. Yes. And what's that one? What's this one here?
The car.
Yeah, that's a car transporter.
Car. Truck.
And this one?
I can tip something.
Yeah, tip something. It's a tipper truck. And that one?
A container truck.
A container truck, yes. And what's this one?
I can clog something up.
You cronk something up with a concrete mixer?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're so good. Okay, let's give us a big smile, Matthew. Matthew? Okay. Bye-bye, everybody. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye, everybody.